Hi guys, welcome back. This session explains the various functions involved in an online store operation, which are the processes and functions involved in the day-to-day operations of an online store. In fact, the processes and functions will have some differences and variations for each store based on the industry, region, service policies, etc. However, there is a general and standard operational processes which will be common for all the online store, and we are going to discuss the same here. So let's begin. The whole operational function of an online store has been divided into primary and secondary functions. The primary functions are those daily activities which happens at the very ground level to keep the system running. The secondary function is those immediate activities which are quite necessary to support and ensure the smooth running of the primary functions. So this is the macro view of the primary set of functions. There are 9 functions according to this process chart, starting from acquiring orders till delivering to the customers. Let's take a closer look to each one of them. The first one is receiving orders. Customers would place the orders through the store website or mobile application or through other online mediums that we provide. Which are the different mediums can be set up to showcase our products and acquire orders. I have a different video session on the same. You can find its link in the description below. Okay, so once the customer placed the order, we receive the same on our backend dashboard. We have to confirm the same and it has to be assigned to the store team for start processing. Once the orders has been assigned to the store team, they have to start the picking process according to the items and quantities in the order. After completing the picking, the product has to move for packing. While doing the packaging, it has to remember that these packages would be going for multiple handling like loading, unloading, transportation, etc. So the packing must be good enough to keep the products safe from any sort of damages. Once all the packing is completed, hand over to the shipping or the delivery team. Now, the delivery team has to start their job with a route planning of orders according to the customer locations and delivery slots. This is necessary to optimize the running time and the running cost. While the routing is done, boxes has to be segregated according to the routes and orders. Then move for loading to the vehicles. While loading the boxes to the vehicle, the LIFO method has to be followed. It means boxes of the last delivery have to loaded first and the boxes of the first delivery at the last. Now the vehicle has to move to the customer location. Once reach the customer, hand over the packages and ask the customer to cross-check all the items, quantities, etc. This is to ensure that the right items has been delivered without any shortage or damages. If it is found anything faulty, then you have to take action accordingly in a professional way. By this, the primary set of function is over. Now let's take a look at the secondary level of functions. And this includes tracking, customer relation, and stock keeping. The tracking function. This function starts the moment orders got placed in the system. Tracking team will be validate each orders placed in the system by verifying the customer details, delivery location, delivery time, payment, etc. This will help to avoid any incomplete orders may got placed due to technical errors, customer mistake, or sometimes even fake orders by fake customers. And this same tracking team is responsible to make sure all orders are getting processed through each department within the stipulated time and no orders are missed out for processing. And the next function is customer relations. This is a very crucial function. Customers will reach out to this particular team for any query or complaints. It can be anything related to orders, products, payment, cancellation, refund, service quality, or sometimes just an inquiry. All such things has to be addressed properly and professionally. It's very crucial for customer satisfaction and retention. And recording those communication will be an input for improvising the process and the service. The next function is stock keeping. It's common that there will be some orders may come back without doing delivery. It can be a pre-delivery cancellation due to customer is not at the place, or a vehicle breakdown, or traffic issue, etc. Sometimes it can be a post-delivery cancellation due to a wrong or damaged item being delivered. It has to ensure that such products are coming back to the store without fail and stacking at the store for the next fulfillment. stock keeping team will track such incidents and ensure that it has done. So this is all about the operational process. I'll see you on my next video. Please remember to tap on the subscribe button.